Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have some lollipop chickens right here. We'll go ahead and make some barbecue baked lollipop chicken. We also have our vegetables over here, our fruit over there, and I'm gonna make my my juice. So what we'll do right now, what we're about to do right now, we'll go ahead and season this lollipop chicken. First season I'm using is roasted garlic and herb. One, 2 tablespoons. Next season I'm using is Italian. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. And the last season I'm using is this meat tenderizer. I have to open it up real quick. Meat tenderizer. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon of meat tenderizer. And I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil so that seasoning can stick. One more seasoning. Well, yeah, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Boom. 2 tablespoons. Okay, so we're going in the oven on 375. We're gonna throw some aluminum foil and let it do its thing. Okay, so we go make our little drink. I have 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, and I squeeze the whole lemon, the juice from the lemon in there. Okay, so there we go right there. Our juice. Drink one before you go to sleep. And I drink one in the morning time. But if this is your first time drinking it, make sure you stay at home because it's gonna run through you. So that's how we looking. Everything I put in will be in the description. Okay, here go our beautiful lollipop chicken baked. I turned them all over. I don't have to add no juice. The chicken made its own juice. So I'm gonna throw it back in the oven for 4 minutes with the aluminum foil off. We're gonna add our barbecue sauce, but I'm gonna drain that juice out. So it's going back in there for 4 minutes. Then we're gonna add our barbecue sauce. Okay, so we're gonna add our sweet baby Ray. When I say this chicken is falling off the bone, an hour, 20 minutes in the oven. That's it. 1 hour, 20 minutes. So it's going back in the oven for 10 more minutes. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our baked barbecue lollipop chicken. When I say this is fire for real. We also have our sticky rice with a piece of garlic bread. Made it happen right here in this good kitchen. Did my thing. Made my little juice. And I hope y'all enjoy this video. Cause this is what I do. I love to cook in the kitchen, for real. And I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice. Lollipop barbecue chicken.